Hey, how's it going? This is Derek Moses, and it's fascinating how we evolve around a star we all know. Just leads us to ask questions like, where did this come from, or will this ever disappear? Solar flares seem to become a rising issue over the decades. This also leads us to ask ourselves, is there anything we can do to prevent these solar flares we continue to face? As the sun grows older, the star will grow until it combusts. Well, you may ask, what are solar flares and why do I care? Well, solar flares are explosions on the sun that happen when energy in the magnetic field is released, kind of like a burp. Solar flares averagely happen 10 times per year and often more. Some people aren't sure. You may ask, are solar flares visible to the naked eye? And that they aren't. And that's because their frequency goes outside of the visual range. But they are visual with special instruments. You may be thinking, okay, or what's the effect? Well, solar flares are often associated with coronal mass ejections, which is ejections of electrons, protons, ions from the sun. And coronal mass ejections are more likely to have a significant effect on our activities than flares because they carry more material into a large volume of interplanetary space. Coronal mass ejections, they drive a shock wave which can continuously produce energetic particles as it propagates through interplanetary space. Observations of these coronal mass ejections provides an early warning for or of geometric storms. Okay, and but what effects do the solar flares have on me? And well, as of right now, at the surface of our planet, we are all protected from the effects of solar flares and other solar activities, such as radiation. Although some charged particles can enter the atmosphere at the poles, North and South Pole. And there has been events reported just recently on September 8, 2017. It's been reported that the solar flare burst of radiation was so intense it caused high frequency radio blackouts across the daytime side of Earth for approximately 1 hour, according to the National Geographic Channel. And this happens when twisted magnetic fields lines suddenly snap and release massive amounts of energy. Activity on the sun does affect the Earth. Radiation hazards for astronauts and satellites can be caused by a quiet sun. Weak solar winds allow more galactic cosmic rays into the inner solar system. Weather on Earth can also be affected. And this is not the only solar activity we have from the sun. All forms, including light, solar winds, and energetic particles, is not constant. It varies with both time and position on the sun, seconds to centuries. These changes are called solar activity and are probably reflections of change below the sun's surface. According to today's homeowner.com, preventive measures we should consider taking are taking precautions on your own and emergency devices and electronics such as radios, laptops, or cell phones. Simply unplug them and insert them inside a sealed cardboard box, then wrap the box completely with aluminum foil. Another solution is to line the inside of a metal garbage can with cardboard. Solar flares are an issue, and this may be something we can't do much about, but just prepare for with preventive actions. With this information, we can only tell that the problem can increase and just knowledge ourselves more about this issue. Thank you.